So this is an M card. Maybe think of it as a Merry Christmas card. But you can open this up and you'll see the M in just a minute. But if you want to check out how to make one of these, check out mainlydiy.com. Open it up on the inside, and it's kind of an interactive card, or it has some movement to it. And let me show you why I call it an M card. See how we've got a little M there? This piece here makes an M, so that's an M card. Now you can check out all the dimensions and find out just how to do this on mainlydiy.com.